This event is, we call it the Tour de Hunter Mill. It's a bike event. It's not a race. It's an event for the entire community to come out and experience Hunter Mill District. It's basically go at your own pace. There are some bikers that do go pretty quickly across the route, but we want everybody to enjoy their time at the Tour de Hunter Mill and see Hunter Mill from a bicycle. You know, it's important a number of ways. First of all, it's and I know I experience this every time I see parts of Hunter Mill from a perspective I've not seen before. It's an opportunity for people maybe who don't ride all the time to get out and about and to understand how they can actually ride a bicycle to some of the places maybe they would otherwise take a car.
Tour is a great way for folks to get out and experience the local roads, the trails, and so on, so they know how to get around by bike. One of the features this year is the Route 7 trail that's going to go from Reston all the way into Tysons. And people could commute on it. It's probably as quick once you get on the bike, get into Tysons and park next to the building than it would be to drive.
The route's also going to be covering some of the infrastructure we've had in Fairfax County for a long time, like the W&OD Trail or the Fairfax County Parkway Trail, as well as utilizing some of the bike lanes that are painted onto the roads throughout the county. And hopefully next year we'll be able to cross over Wheelie Avenue on the new Wheelie Avenue Bridge that's going to make that crossing safer for all of our trail users.
Well, I just look forward to seeing everybody at the Tour de Hunter Mill this year. I'll be riding as I have in previous years, and really there's some new parts of the route. There may be some places that folks haven't been before, and look forward to seeing everyone there.